Hi gorgeous, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of an updated makeup tutorial because if you can't tell, damn eyebrows. Well, that's not. If you can't tell, in the UK it's getting a bit hot now. It's getting into summer and you can't be doing any full coverage glam in summer. Well, you can if you want, but it's going to melt off. So first off, I've stuck my cluster lashes on. Go and watch my TikTok. I'll put the video up here, around here, somewhere, I don't know. I did a cluster lash tutorial, Meggy lashes. Anyway, so we're gonna get into the makeup tutorial. Right, starting off, I've pretty much changed the whole thing, so yeah. Also on my TikTok, I don't know if I'm gonna post it today or tomorrow, but I'll also put it up here. I did a full like Shein haul, I guess. I didn't do the clothes though. I'm gonna do the clothes on here, but I did all the accessories. So I got these like really cool, like, oh my god. Right. So I got this first of all. Oh my god. I love like any sort of monsters and like just really funky stuff in general. So you bet me, I bought this as soon as I saw it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. I have to be careful though, it kind of makes me look like I have a big forehead, but it's so cute. Anyway, I got these. I don't actually know what these are for, but apparently they're for like washing your face, which I already did. And I didn't use them, so they're just gonna go on. Anyway, so first, I didn't even know what toner was until, oh my god, first of all, I did not know what toner was until my sister was like, you should use this toner. And apparently it's a pore tightening toner, so it helps carve, smooth, and reduce visibility of pores. I don't know what any of that means, but okay. It's by XBC or Expel Beauty Care or something. I don't know. It's So Fresh Watermelon Crush. I'll tag it and everything, but like, oh my god, I keep watching these videos and I can't do it. But it's like really hard to open. I'm literally, oh my god, I'm doing it the wrong way. Right, you ready? I have to use the lid to open it. Right, so first, it's gonna be a very long video. Get a cotton pad and just put like a decent amount on. Don't put loads, but put like a decent amount on. I do like 4 little tips on. And I've had this for like 2 weeks now and it literally hardly went down. So hopefully I won't have to buy a new one for holiday. I'm probably going to buy loads of new stuff for holiday. Anyway, and then some people pat it, some people don't put it on the cotton pad. I just like rub it because, you know, I'm unique. And I don't actually really know what it does, but I'll get back to you after I've done this. So pretty much this toner is absolutely like revealing me at this point. Like look how much makeup has just came off. And I washed my face like twice last night. That proves that you shouldn't wear makeup. Oh my god, my vest is literally like, do you know like straps, like really small straps? They got on my nerves because they're just like keep rolling down. Anyway, where's my bin? Just eat that in the bin. Look, I missed. Anyway, so next, I've got this. It's the Nivea moisturizer. I don't know if I actually have it here. It's in one of my drawers, but I will put it up here. I just put it in one of these cool containers because you're about to see why. So first, you just, okay, that's probably enough. Then I've got this L'Oreal Mercier tinted moisturizer bronzer. I don't know if this is what you're meant to do, but it's what I've been doing. And then I just put like a decent amount on there. Right, then I just like mix it together. And it kind of makes it like a foundation colour, but it's really, really lightweight. And it covers enough, if you know what I mean. So I always start off by blending it into my neck because I always forget about the neck, so I always do it first now. Ooh, and it makes me go like a bit tanned. I don't tan. If you guys have any recommendations for like tanning gels or like tanning accelerator type things, or tanning mist, I don't really know what any of them are. but any ones that won't make me go like really dark, and they're not gonna like burn me because I've never used them before. Because pretty much I don't burn and I don't tan, so pretty much I made a bad mistake. I literally never wear SPF, and I still don't. I probably should, you know. Like I keep watching these videos where they're like, wear SPF, so I started wearing SPF, but I keep forgetting to be honest, like sun cream and stuff. But I don't get what to do. Like, what does it actually do? Like, I don't burn and I don't tan, so I just stay pale all the way around. Like, look at that. That is pale. Anyway, so if you can't tell, it's kind of made my face go a bit bronzed. You have to wait for it to dry, so I got a mini fan from Shein. Are you ready? Anyway, so first I'm going to get Made by Mitchell blush in Caramel Chisel. And I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I don't know if like it's either a bad quality product or I'm just doing this wrong, but for some reason whenever I use this like tinted moisturizer thing, my bronzer just does not blend in, but it will with any other product. Wait, it might be the product actually. I don't care, I'm still going to use it though because I literally have no other ones. And yeah. So, oh, it might be the brush too though. I don't care. Right, I'm just gonna like dabble my bronzer, and then I'm just gonna. I've just realised you can't even see this side. Right, I'll be back when I'm doing the other side. Right, now that I'm sitting, it's not gonna do anything. I mean, it is gonna do something. It's not. So, I'll put like a really like kind of just like a little swab on it. I don't know, it looks a bit patchy, but you know, I don't want it to look like natural, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't matter. Anyway, I hate doing this because look at the back of my hand, and that'll stain on the back of my hand for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna top it up and I'll be back. Right, I'm back. I actually hate this so much. Right, so I'm gonna guess. No, I'm not, because I need to put blush on my hand anyway. So, Made by Mitchell blush in shade Posy Rosy. I am going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. Because I keep getting told that it, like, warms the product up. What? Like, what does that mean? Like, why am I warming up, like, makeup on the back of my hand? Also, you might be able to hear things in the background just because my brother's here, but you also might not be able to because I've got a mic, finally. I nicked my dad's mics because, you know, why wouldn't I? I keep doing this side first and I need to realise that, like, you guys can't see that side. Right, I'm just gonna, like, really bad placement here, and I'm not very good at applying makeup. I'm no way saying I'm a makeup artist, even though my banner literally says KEMUA. Anyway, I am not a makeup artist. I don't know how to use makeup. I just like recording videos, okay? I like doing get ready for me's. I like this stuff. But yeah. Anyway, tomorrow I'm gonna do the bronzer again to do my nose. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to Tanfield Railway. It's like you know, I'm not even gonna say it. I think it's like the oldest wooden railway, like wooden thingy, sporky cobbies. I don't know. I'll put the description up of what I'm thinking. But apparently it's like old age pensioner museum type of thing, and I've been to it before, but like when I was younger. And I'm gonna do a vlog. Hopefully it actually comes out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put like 2 little lines there, and then I'm just gonna kind of colour in it. Pretty much what you want to look like is you've stuck your nose in dirt. That is like the aim of the game here. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get concealer. I'm using the Be Perfect Full Impact Complete Coverage Concealer, and the full impact bit is already coming off. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes in normal placement, and then there and there. Then I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand again. I know, the back of my hand. Did you not guess it? Also, I've been using something else to carve my eyebrows, so I'm just going to quickly do a little swab, and then I'm going to do a line as straight as you possibly can. down the centre of your nose. I am not very good at this because I can't draw straight lines because I'm not straight. No, I'm joking. Anyway, before you come at me, I'm bisexual. Anyway, so just do a little line. Perfect. It's not straight at all. Then I'm just going to coat the brush with that leftover, and I'm just gonna cover my eyebrows and I'll be back. So the aim of the game is that you do not blend this and you do not carve out the top of your eyebrows because it's unnatural. I hate having like products on the back of my hand. I look so weird. I've got pink, brown, and like my skin tone just all over the back of my hand. Anyway, so oh my god, I've got these sponges. They're like rip-off sponges of like a brand, but I don't know. Right, I'm back. I'm just going to buff this line out, kind of. So I'm just gonna like pat, pretty much. And if you can't tell, it looks disgusting, and it should. I'm gonna get this brush, and then it has a bit of contour left on it, and I'm just going to blend that out, and it kind of makes it just look a bit more natural. Anyway, so we're gonna go on to powders now. I hate this part so much. So quickly, I hate setting spray, sorry. I'm gonna go on with the Revolution Photo Ready Prep Set Refresh Mist setting spray. That is the reason why I hate it. Okay, so the setting spray, it says close your eyes before you use this. I'm just gonna use the fan. And I closed my eyes, and yet it still went in my eyes, and it still went in my eyes, and it hurt. For that, this is white. And I'm just going to pat it like right down my nose, kind of like that. Now, the one thing you will never do in this instant is leave the edges like I have them, okay? What you do is you buff out the edges. I use, everything is in the wrong spot in my drawer right now. I use one of these brushes and I just kind of buff out the edges a bit so it doesn't just leave a line. Then I'm just going to leave that while I do this to get the, what is this? Estee Lauder? No. Zero Smidge Lengthening Mascara. Double wear. I don't know. I got this given to me as a gift, so I have zero clue where it's from. I'm just going to put that on the bottom of my eyelashes. I can't wait until he gets onto like Sephora or something. Like, that was a cat outside. Anyway, I can't wait until he gets onto like Sephora or something in the UK because then I can finally buy his stuff without spending like so much money. So probably what I am going to do is I'm just going to save up to get everything that I want to get from James Charles Painted. And then I'm going to get it all at once instead of paying for shipping for everything. But I'm guessing that the more stuff I buy, the more expensive the shipping is. And the shipping goes over £20, I'm not buying any of these stuff. I'm just not doing it. Right, so I've just blended that out, and to be honest, I don't do anything with my lips anymore for one reason. I literally rub my lips 24/7, so it does nothing. So I'm going to use the Burt's Bees Advanced Relief Balm. I don't know. I'll try to find it on the internet. And I love this because it just, I don't know, I love it. I'm just going to put it on my lips. Now I keep getting told that the lip balms dry out your lips, and that's why you buy so many of them, but I don't think they do. I might be wrong. Anyway, I'm just gonna take this headband off. I love this headband so much. My dad said it looks like somebody from the Muppets, and it like I'll get